viewers, welcome to Blood Test. In our last video, we had seen about semi-automated biochemistry analysis and the fully automated biochemistry analysis and who has to choose which machine for your diagnostic center according to the sample load. If you're going to opt for a fully automated biochemistry, nowadays a lot of people are opting for the fully automated biochemistry. Here, there are two main things you have to see. Whether you're going to go for a closed system of automated biochemistry machine analyzer or an open system. So there are a little bit differences between opting for a closed and open system, which I'm going to brief you in this video. As you see, all the fully automated biochemistry analyzers usually have the range. That is, you can opt for an entry level of automated biochemistry machine in which you can run around 100 to 125 samples per hour. And there are also big fully automated biochemistry machine in which you can also run around 2000 samples per hour. So the main difference between an open and closed system is the reagents. When you're opting for an open system, you can use any company reagent. This is the main difference. But when you're going for a closed system of automated biochemistry analyzer, you would be entitled to use only the company reagents. That is, if you're going to buy your machine from company A, you will be entitled, the machine will be customized in such a way that you have to buy reagents only from them for the lifelong of the machine. Once you have decided upon whether it's an open or closed system, you cannot change in the future. So when are you supposed to choose whether you're going to go for an open or closed system? At the time of purchase itself, you have to say whether you're going to go for an open or closed system, because in all the companies, only the skeleton of the machine would be ready. Only after you choose which machine you're going to go, that is an open or closed system, they would customize it according to that. So if you see here, this is the fully automated biochemistry. This is the sample and reagent space in which, you know, these are the sample, these are the reagent loading places, and this is the sample loading place. In a fully closed system, they are giving also 5 to 8 open parameters. For example, the tests like amylase, lipase and all, they don't have very good stability. So all these tests can also, you can choose any company reagents to run in your closed system also. Such kind of benefit is also being given for a closed system these days. So now coming to the most important thing, that is the cost. An open system is priced higher than the closed system. A closed system and open system has a difference of about 1 to 1.5 lakhs in the Indian rupees, and the closed system is lesser and the open system is higher. And now coming to the, as a consumer point of view, you would be wanting to know what is the AMC, CMC and warranty related to these systems. Because you're going to, when you're going to opt for a closed system, usually only their company reagents you would be using, and the company would know how the performance of these reagents to their machine would be. Thereby they give you 2 years straight warranty. When you're opting for an open system, the company wouldn't know what type of reagents, what company reagents you're going to use. Thereby they usually stick on to just 1 year of warranty. This is the main difference between, you know, the warranty in choosing an open and closed system. Having all these factors in mind, which machine is best suited for you? When you're going to have a small to mid-size laboratory, it is better you go for an open system, because you can try various companies of reagents, various reagent companies, various reagents for your machine, and then you can decide which is best suited for your laboratory. Whereas when you're going to run a referral laboratory, when you have a promised sample of nothing less than 2000 samples per day, it is better you go for a closed system, which is going to be really cost effective. And the best thing here, how to choose, is there are a lot of factors, a lot of other factors also involved in choosing whether you need an open system or a closed system. If you have any doubts, you can definitely contact us to know more. This is about the closed and open system of biochemistry analyzers. Hope you have got an insight about choosing the best analyzer for your diagnostic center. we can also help you out. We have also started our growth consultancy, in which it would be an individual one-to-one session between your diagnostic center and our consultancy, in which we would be planning and giving you the growth of your diagnostic center. If you want to know more, you can definitely contact us. Our email ID is pathlabstartup@gmail.com and our WhatsApp number is 9940027564. If you like my videos, kindly like my videos, subscribe my channel, and also share my videos for all those people who are aspiring to start their own diagnostic business. Thank you. Signing off, Dr. Lalita Singh.